Hi, welcome to PCL. My name's Owen and today we're talking about the AIRFORCE MK4 tyre inflator. We'll do a short demonstration in a minute, but first just tell you the key features of this product. So it's the fourth generation of this product, with the first being introduced in the 1950s. We've got a large magnified window which tells you your pressure by an indicator. You've got a 1/4 inch female BSP inlet port for your air, and it comes in a variety of different hose lengths and tyre valve connector types. This one here is the standard model, so it goes up to 140 psi, which will do most general automotive and workshop applications. But we also have higher pressure models for trucks and also aviation applications as well. So now to demonstrate the AIRFORCE MK4, so as mentioned earlier, 1/4 inch female BSP inlet port. So I would recommend to use a quick release standard adapter. So just hand tight that in, secure it with a spanner, bit of PTFE tape if it's a tapered thread, and then that should be good to go. So as soon as you put the tyre valve connector onto the tyre valve, your tyre pressure will be shown on the linear indicator there. So to inflate, fully depress the lever, and then momentarily keep checking your pressure, and you align the two red lines on screen to make sure you've got the correct tyre pressure. So let's go up to 30 psi for this particular vehicle. Just gone slightly over. So then to deflate, you depress the lever halfway. You hear the air get exhausted. Slightly down, so just give it slightly more. And then just before you're ready, momentarily deflate and then align your red lines for the correct tyre pressure. So some key tips for maintenance on the AIRFORCE MK4. You've got a little oil screw here, so we always recommend a couple of drops of oil at least once a month, depends on the usage. If you're using it in a garage workshop or an automotive tyre bay, once a week oil it. So this particular gauge is a very accurate tyre inflator. It's made in Sheffield in our own factory. It's tested and calibrated to the British and EC standards surrounding tyre inflation pressure. So you know when you inflate your tyres, it's going to be highly accurate and you know exactly what's in your tyre. So it now carries a standard 2-year warranty. It's also available in different hose lengths and tyre valve connector styles, ranging from clip-ons to twin hold-ons, and we also have a truck style twin clip-on gauge.